Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Cyberside Chats, brought to you by Unified Global Archiving. On today's episode, we are going to be discussing the ever-popular subject of discovery. Discovery, in my opinion, and a lot of people's opinion, is something that every business should truly be utilizing, regardless of size, shape, location, industry type. It's a very important feature, and I hope that I can express this as well as express our success that we've seen through our eDiscovery platform here at Unified Global Archiving. So, for starters, electronic discovery refers to the discovery in legal proceedings such as litigation, government investigations, or Freedom of Information Act's requests, where the information sought is in electronic format. So being able to present that information specifically in an electronic format. The entire goal of eDiscovery process is to complete a base of legally admissible, relevant documents on which both prosecution and defense can build their case. So we here at UGA have really determined the importance of discovery and want to push it on not only our customers, but anyone out there in need. So I hope that with the information we will be providing shortly, you'll be able to see the importance that this would have in your business. So we understand nowadays that managing a high volume of litigation is it's sort of a fact of life for corporate counsel in most businesses today. With increasing data volumes and broader government requirements across all enterprise data, the time required and cost of gathering and reviewing the responsive matter for eDiscovery has risen tremendously. IT support is usually burdened to find and restore this data, while outside law firms log large quantities of hours to review a ton of emails, files, etc. that have been tagged for review. So right now we see a lot of IT departments being overwhelmed with this. We're really going to express to you how we can change that pattern and make this easier. So, as a result, companies, like I said, have found themselves spending excessive amounts of money for outside counsel, and then lengthy collection phase wastes precious time and limits legal teams' ability to work on the particular case. In our EAS 9.0 release, there was an extensive focus on our EAS Discovery application. We saw a lot of needs, a lot of requests, and powered by feedback from a number of our 2019 AmLaw 100 customers, we implemented key feature enhancements to not only improve the end-user experience, but significantly reduce the time litigation support teams have to spend executing early case assessments and processing during a case. So if you've ever had to respond to a request for electronic documents, you know how challenging it can be to collect, process, and find responsive data within the vast stores of email files or other content types within your organization. In the absence of a unified EAS archive, searching through and finding relevant email, attachments, or whatever it may be, takes time, and legal counsel must rely on the IT support team to access said data. It's critical to have that complete solution that automates this collection and filtering process for corporate data for discovery. This provides immediate access to corporate email, files, etc., and reduces dependence on third-party vendors, outside counsel, and IT support. EAS is the one-stop solution to confidently address these challenges, while also eliminating redundant data searches and reducing the risk of errors and spoliation. So in addition to reducing discovery costs, EAS Discovery reduces the time that it takes to access email data and bolster your legal team's ability to quickly assess the merits of a case before going into a full-blown legal process. So EAS 9.0 Discovery has essentially been designed to deliver a simple but powerful end-user experience, empowering legal teams to run their searches without requiring assistance from IT. We've made this platform user-friendly. That's what we really want people to understand. From a simple and clean UI to a just smooth operating system for anyone in any business to be able to pick up quickly. Yes, we will provide training. We will answer any questions when we initiate. But this is a system that can be essentially picked up by anyone. Does not have to be anyone in the IT profession and the legal profession. You get in there, you start playing around with this, you're really going to see and understand how effective this solution is that we have put together. One of my favorite parts of said solution is our advanced search builder. So we here at UGA have done a good job of putting on how-to videos. You can access them by locating our YouTube channel at Unified Global Archiving. You're going to see a number of our account executives there going through a list of how-tos within our EAS platform. One of which you'll see people focus on is the advanced search builder. And people have done so because this is just such a crucial piece to discovery that is just not out there. We've really developed this, like we've said, like I mentioned specifically earlier, by the request of many of these top 10, 20, whoever law firms in the nation that we represent, or in the world, I should say. So to get into it, historically, EAS Discovery EAS required users to have knowledge of EAS syntax in order to properly input search terms to execute a discovery request. Fortunately, with this latest release of EAS Discovery, we have introduced an all-new advanced search builder, as mentioned, to automate the discovery query generation, which then enables non-technical users to facilitate the discovery process. Again, just emphasizing the ease of usage. The advanced search builder provides a very user-friendly interface that allows users to add a virtually unlimited amount of search terms to a discovery query, with the ability to easily modify logical operators such as and or for each of the terms in the query. So again, I'm just emphasizing the simplicity of this and the specifics that you're able to locate. So not only will this alleviate the historical burden on IT admins to input correct syntax in order to return legitimate results, but this advanced search builder's intuitive interface also allows IT teams to put the discovery onus back in the hands of their legal department. Now, this is huge. We understand the IT teams are swamped. I mean, it doesn't matter what industry, what company, what size. It's just kind of a cliche that the IT team has their hands constantly filled, and this will allow that work to be alleviated and at least distributed to the appropriate legal parties. So the automated query generation is just an absolute time saver, and it's a must-use for all organizations, flat out. If you're looking to perform more precise searches in order to reduce the number of inaccurate results returned from initial searches, you need this. I can't emphasize it enough, the ease of use. You'll see it if you just check out these how-to videos. I will post this to Spreaker, where we should have a link available for some of these how-to videos, so feel free to search Unified Global Archiving Spreaker account there, and please find those how-to videos. They are incredibly helpful, and hopefully you can get a visualization of how this product works. Now, we're going to continue on with our discovery discussions on our next episode. For now, I really did just want to point out, the importance of this feature, the advancements that we've made with our most recent releases, and just the simplicity of the product. So next week, we'll dive into a few more technical details within discovery and really allow you to see even further, the enhancements that we've made. So please stay tuned. I really appreciate you guys listening. Subscribe to our channel, please. We are on the Apple iTunes the Apple Podcast app. We are on Spreaker. We're on YouTube. Find us on Facebook. You name it. Find us, like us. There will be some benefits, whether you're a customer or not. We really appreciate all of the attention. So thanks for listening, and join us next week.